What was that? Hey, did you pull a Dilcia? You just floored it?
I was literally just about to
Karma.
say that.
And I have it all on video.
I was like, SpongeBob! Think we're in the game like EA.
Fucking scared.
Lady Zimbabwe.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Alright, my young whippersnapper. You ready for this?
Hell no!
Jesus.
Hell no, you finna crash in there.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. Why not, Johnny? Oh, it's not what I wanted to do. That's a cop. That's a cop. Let him go. He's probably gonna come back around. Yeah, that's why I was like, that's a cop. I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if he flips a bitch. Yeah, that's all I was like. I was like,
The camera was like, wait.
Yeah, I was like, I couldn't fucking tell you, obviously. I was just like, fucking out. I'm out. Hold on, let's just wait for a second. I don't know, cause I don't know if he's gonna like flip a bitch and come back, see the smoke, you know?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, cause I'm the only car in this motherfucker, so.
And I'm just standing here.
Look, well, we don't have to, and plus that lady's right there, so.
Are you gonna do it or what?
Nah, I don't think so, cause she looks like she's like a bitch.